So today I'll be talking to you about the importance of an embryologist and an embryology lab. Hello, I am Dr. Sumi Peter Maria, consultant and infertility specialist at Milan Hospital, New Delhi. So when you visit an infertility center or when you're worried about your fertility issues, there are three things that you need to be understanding. So the first thing is the consulting doctor, and the two most important things are an embryologist and the embryology lab. So what is the importance of an embryologist and an embryology lab when it comes to IVF? So the doctor, as you all know, will be your first point of contact, who will be understanding your physiology, whether there is an issue with you, your partner, or what are the concerns that you have and what needs to be done. So that is the duty of a doctor. And as and when the doctor decides that you need to go ahead with your treatment, that's when the role of an embryologist and an embryology lab comes. So who's an embryologist? So embryologist is a fertility expert who basically has a master's or a PhD in embryology. So what is the job like of an embryologist, and what is the role that he plays or she plays in an embryology setup and an IVF setup? So basically an embryologist is the person who deals with your gametes. So what are the things that an embryologist does? So let's look into the role of the embryologist each. So when does the role of an embryologist come, and what does he or she do? So as and when your IVF process happens and you are given injections and the doctor decides that your eggs are ready and mature enough to be taken out, to be cultured outside your body, that's when the role of the embryologist comes. So we pick up your oocytes transvaginally using a needle and we place that in a culture dish. From then, it is the role of the embryologist to visualize those eggs, how mature they are, to separate them from the follicular fluid that we take along with your eggs. So the role of the embryologist can be divided into the roles during egg retrieval, during embryo culture, and during cryopreservation. So let's look into the role of the embryologist during egg retrieval. Okay, so you have been given injections and your doctor feels that your eggs are mature enough to be retrieved. That's when the doctor does the transvaginal egg retrieval using a needle. So during that process, we take out your follicular fluid, which has the egg as well as a lot of fluid with it. So the role of the embryologist is to separate the mature egg from this, and the fluid is separated so that this egg can be taken out to be cultured further and to be fertilized. So now that is regarding the egg retrieval. Now coming to the embryo culture. Now, according to the indication of the patient, the embryologist will decide whether we can go ahead with IVF or whether that person requires ICSI. So ICSI is not required for all. So what are the indications for ICSI? I will be dealing in the next video. So the embryologist decides whether we can go ahead with the normal IVF procedure or do we need ICSI in this. So that's where the role of the embryologist is important. So the embryologist either does an IVF or an ICSI procedure, and then the embryos are fertilized and the embryos are made. Following this, in the next coming days, that is for the next 3 to 5 days, the embryologist monitors the growth of your embryos and sees how they are developing. So that can be done under naked eye, or if it is like an advanced procedure, then it's called a time-lapse monitoring, whether you can see the growth of the embryos real time using videos. So that are the procedures though that are done by the embryologist on a routine basis. So that is regarding embryo culture. Now coming to cryopreservation. So what do you mean by cryopreservation? So cryopreservation is a technique whereby your eggs or the embryos, your sperm or your eggs, that can be frozen using something called as cryobiology, or it is something in which we use certain things which cause freezing of your cellular material so that all the biological process that happens in your eggs or the sperms or the embryos come to a halt. So there is no activity that's happening there, and the eggs or the embryos or the sperms remain in the same phase throughout from then. So the importance of the embryologist here is that the amount of cryoprotectant to be used, the nature of the cryoprotectant that has to be used, and the technique that is used here, all these are very important. So that's why the expertise of an embryologist is very, very important when it comes to an embryology lab. So these are just procedures, not just this. There is also an importance of the embryology lab. So why is embryology lab important in IVF? So as we know, our body is the best place for an embryo to grow. So we are making a same environment outside our body in an embryology lab where the embryos can grow, isn't it? So here what happens? All the culture conditions, the atmosphere, the environment where the embryos grow or your baby grows has to be that conditioned, or it has to be systematic, it has to be quality controlled so that there is no external impact of the environment on your embryo. That is why the embryology lab is the most important thing here. So the embryologist is the best person who knows the quality control when it comes to an IVF lab. So he guides the staff, everyone else, to keep the quality control under check and keeps maintaining records, keeps maintaining all the things that are required for the proper quality control. So across the globe, quality control of IVF lab is one of the most important thing and one of the most important indicators of IVF success rates. So here is the importance of your embryology lab as well as your embryologist. So not just dealing with egg retrieval, your processing, and later on the embryo development and also the cryopreservation. There are lot of other things which are done by the embryologist, like laser assisted hatching. They do pre-implantation genetic testing. So they also do a lot of various newer techniques like IMSI, ICSI, poloscope. There are a lot of things that are being done. So your physician is just your first point of contact, but your embryologist is the person who is the hero behind the scenes. So please make it a point to understand your embryologist and your embryology lab whenever you're choosing an IVF center. And at Milann, we have the most advanced IVF lab here with all the latest advances. Thank you for watching my video, and if you found my video really helpful, please don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our channel, Milann the Fertility Specialist, so that you can be updated about all the videos which are coming ahead, in which we will be handling and dealing with each condition specifically and also dealing with all your queries. For any further assistance, you can also come and visit me in our hospital at Greater Kailash Part 2, New Delhi, Milann the Fertility Center. Thank you very much. Hope you have a very nice day. Thank you.